Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Pokémon Sun and Moon on Android using Citra. First, you'll want to download the Citra emulator. Make sure to get it from a reliable source, like its official website or a reputable app store. It's also important to check that your Android device meets the necessary system requirements for the best experience. Finally, legally acquire your Pokémon Sun and Moon game files in a format that Citra can read. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth start to your Alola adventure. Once Citra is installed, let's optimize its settings for the best gameplay. You can adjust graphics options, like the internal resolution, to find a balance between visual quality and performance. Next, customize your input controls. Whether you prefer on-screen buttons or a connected gamepad, make it comfortable for you. Don't forget to experiment with features such as the speed limit and audio stretching. Fine-tuning these settings will significantly enhance your journey through the vibrant world of Pokémon Sun and Moon. Now that Citra is set up, it's time to load your game and begin your adventure. Simply navigate within the emulator to the folder where you've stored your Pokémon Sun and Moon game files. Once you locate the correct file, select it, and the game should start right up. You'll be exploring the beautiful Alola region in no time. Remember to save your progress frequently within the game itself. This ensures you won't lose any of your hard-earned achievements or Pokémon. Even with the best setup, you might encounter a few bumps. If you experience slow performance, try lowering the internal resolution or disabling some graphical enhancements. Also, ensure your Android device has plenty of free storage space for both the emulator and your game files, as this can impact performance. For more advanced tips or specific troubleshooting, consider joining online communities dedicated to Citra. They often have a wealth of knowledge to help you get the most out of your Pokémon Sun and Moon experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.